Katie, and I work in production at Gap Inc. Production is the perfect fit for me because it allows me to focus on one of my passions, product. I got into this industry because I love clothes. I love making clothes. I love everything that goes into making clothes. We obsess over so many little details that go into garments. The buttons, the threads, the zippers, the hand feel. Most people probably don't even notice these little details, but it's these details that really make or break a garment.
A key component of any production role is costing, and let me tell you, that's definitely my favorite part. My team relies on me to not only be a product expert, but I'm also the owner of cost. I'm responsible for scrutinizing every component that adds cost to the garment. I work with a combination of teams to make sure we are getting the best cost for what we use on our garments. I'm constantly working with my R&D team to look for ways to re-engineer fabric or explore new denim washes. As a product expert, we're always looking for ways to make a garment more affordable while still maintaining the product aesthetic.
One of my favorite aspects of my role in production is that I have the chance to collaborate with a variety of teams on a daily basis. In production, we're not only working with our cross-functional teams here in San Francisco and New York, we're also communicating daily with our sourcing offices in Asia and Europe. In my role, strong communication is key. Throughout the product lifecycle, my job is to communicate with my team overseas on a variety of issues. We email every day, and I host conference calls and video conferences when needed. I'm constantly working to ensure that our factories are executing product to not only our aesthetic, but to our quality standards as well. Bringing design and merchandising product vision to life is a challenge, but I love being a mediator for such diverse teams.